Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to the next episode of a loan syndication. Uh, we'll discuss now on the types of the loan syndication. So we have three types of loan syndication. We can see it is underwritten deal. Second was best effort syndication, and third one is a club deal. So there is a many terms and condition which applies on this part, but we came with the most important part who lender and borrowing are borrowers are seeing before they sign the agreement between what they want to exchange on the basis of interest and the loan amount. So first of all, we discuss about the underwritten deal. So in which the lead agent guarantee the entire loan amount. For example, if a businessman want 1,000 crore loan, so if they will go with the loan syndication type underwritten deal, so in this part, the agent bank, the lead bank or arranger bank gives the guarantee to the businessman that if they could not able to take money from the other bank, so agent bank will give the money like 10% or 10% 20% is short on the giving money other bank is not having. So agent will bank will give money to the businessman, they give the guarantee of entire amount. Second most important features of that underwritten deal uh, is same like unsubscribed amount. Like we give the example, if they want to release the 100%, but 90% is loan get applied and 10% is left. So agent will play the important role on this and take the guarantee to give the money to the business or financial institution who need this money. Attract higher loan syndication fee, as we know that uh, agent bank giving the guarantee on the unsubscribed amount portion of amount not get subscribed, so he will charge a high syndication fees on this part, this feature also. So it increase the risks of the agent bank who gives the large amount of loan to the businessman or financial institution. So it gives the higher risks on this part. So this is a feature, but his give the higher huge profit as well if business gets successful or give the high return. So who give the large amount of money get a return as well. So it is risks and profit different vice versa scenario. So we came with the second type is a best effort syndication. So where the lead bank is not giving the guarantee on the loan amount of unsubscribed amount, like they will not give the guarantee if 90% is subscribed, so 10% they have to arrange somewhere that businessman only or financial institution, like uh, borrower need to arrange if not get surprise. So it will sometime it goes to the lower amount also, like if not get surprise and bank need this, so they want to give at a low interest as well, like 10% they are giving, but sometimes it's not get surprise, so they have to give to the 9% 8% also. So this is a example on the best effort syndication. The third one is the most common and most uh, small businesses are using, where the small amount is given up to 150 million only. So have the equal contribution, like who is giving the loan, like two partners, so they will give 75 million only. So here the uh, lender should be the equal distribution, like 20 25 25 25 something in the proportional only. So this is a part of a types of a loan syndication. Shivraj, you want to add anything on this part?
Uh, no, I think you have covered almost all the portion for this particular portion. But I would like to just add a few things. When we say loan syndication, it means it's a very simple terminology. There is no rocket science at all. So you might see different terms, because basically this language or business transactions are from US, Europe. So you might see fancy words, but in reality, those are not fancy. It's just a loan transactions. वो बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे भी अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ तगड़ा बिजनेस प्लान है तो जस्ट पैसा रेज करो, उठाओ मार्केट से एंड डिप्लॉय दैट मनी एंड मल्टीप्लाई इट, वो वाला फंडा है. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट बिग. और सी आई स्टडीड दिस लोन सिंडिकेशन. मैं ऑलमोस्ट आज 3 years that I have completed. उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा tough part which I have seen, like the delayed compensation calculation,
Yes.
cost of carry understanding, then your look back period,
Yes.
right? Then your understanding of different notices and all.
Yes.
Then sometime we receive unclaimed money because loan transaction size बड़ी होती है ना.
Yes. अमाउंट बड़ा होता है.
Yes, वो अमाउंट बड़ी होती है. तो वो चीज़ है. बाकी ऑन अग्रीमेंट यू माइट सी डिफरेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज. ये तो अपने सी एनीवेज वी हैव कवर्ड ओनली 20%, राइट. The entire that assignment agreement size you would see like around 50 to 100 pages.
Yes. Yes.
उसमें एक एक बट सी इट इज जस्ट अ लीगल लैंग्वेज, राइट.
Yes.
सो इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट यू शुड mug up and चलो भाई मुझे नहीं. Even for an interview, if anyone is looking for an interview, see what is needed, the core documents. What are the different types of documents?
Yes,
It could be trade pricing letter, trade confirmation, assignment agreement, funding letter, memos, pay down letter, right? Your subscription letter, ownership percentage letter, delayed calculations, start date, end date of loans, right? Maybe your the trade life cycle of loans, LXID, whether it is set up or not. This key information which is suffice. And apart from that, आजकल एक ट्रेंड हुआ है, right? They are asking for whether you have a practical exposure or not. Maybe practical, it means have you worked with clear power? Have you do you know market, your different Bloomberg and all. So क्योंकि वहाँ पर see all are data provider platforms, so we should know it. But see, what I want to convey message to everyone that see, even if you have a basic understanding of loan product, because you can easily manage it. See, from operation perspective, we have a three processes. One is trade processing, which is front office, middle office, back office. Another one is reconciliation.
Correct.
And then accounting. That's all.
That's all.
We don't have any means blah blah बहुत सारी process ऐसा नहीं है. So that's all. I mean, it's an easy one and even interesting as well.
Yes.
Right. So if you have any specific questions, if you want me to ask and let's say clarify और तुम्हारे कोई मतलब जैसे followers उनको अगर doubt clarify करना है, then please ask.
No. I have no question on this part, but if you have anything, audience, please comment on this part. We'll surely elaborate and explain in detail this plan, this what you are asked in the comment section. So thank you, Shivraj. So we'll move to the other topic of same thing. You heard about that if we do the normal equity break, so it is trade on the Indian market, like in NSC, BSC, we have a buy price, sale price, ask and bid price, everything is there. So have you seen that loan also get traded? So there is separate market for loan also, like so in the above thing, like we said that वो बाकी का अमाउंट रह जाता है ना जो सरप्राइज नहीं हो पाता है, तो वो कैसे लोगों के पास जाता है, कैसे वो लोग उसको बाय या सेल कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव सर्टन मार्केट फॉर वेयर द लोन गेट ट्रेडेड इनटू द मार्केट एंड वी कैन बाय दैट पार्ट. सो वी हैव अ टू मार्केट हियर. So we said that the LMA market and LSTA market. So we'll go one by one. Okay, so we'll reach to first to LMA market. So LMA market full form is Loan Market Association. So the region, which region it get operates, there is two reason, different reason for different two market. Okay, so for LMA market, it focus on the Europe, Middle East part and Africa. We can say that in our corporate that Middle East, Europe and EMEA project. So it's support on this market. So it is most important when we resolving the break in day-to-day life in our corporate. So we can also see that the market type as well. The market type of this is secondary also, because this is not traded on the primary part. So the timeline for this LMA market should be fast track timeline. Means if you want to trade your loan on this platform, this is fast tracking, means loan get easily or quickly get do in this part. So the second part of this is a financial convenient, means how it goes and how it get registered, leverage and everything. The provision include the leverage and ICR also. Okay, now we move to the LSTA market. So LSTA market full form is Loan Syndication and Trading Association. So region it serves to the Americas only. The region type is same, secondary. The timeline is non fast track, means it take a time to register and all this thing. And the leverage ratio and this ICR ratio is some technical, but hopefully we have designed this part. In future videos we'll elaborate ICR, leverage ratio and MT and W requirement, what is required. So basic thing of this thing is this, what document we required and how we registered. I am telling that now fast track timeline and all this thing, there is some certain document on this part, just want to show you. I will not go in this part deep, just want to show you the how it required a document. So if you see LMA market process flow, so it's almost same. I just elaborate here. If you see the screen, there is two I have mentioned, is one is A1 column is LMA market and T1 column is for the LSTA market. So the process is almost same. If you see the types like loan origination and mandate, the same point, loan structuring, here loan structuring and preparation, the term they are using different because the Americas and Africas both part, but both are the same only. If you want to note or something, you can note it down if you have anything on this part as well. So in going forward we will explain each term when we get a real break, when we explain the real break on this part also. So this is a mandate letter, what agreement between the borrower and arranger, term sheet, as well as the information of memorandum like the interest rate, how which date it should be paid, the pay down amount, the interest amount, and how the loan get recovered, when get recovered, something, all the document as well, commitment letter and transfer certificate, everything. So this is a very important, that's why it's role, the role of a fast track and non fast track will come under the picture. So hopefully you like this session, and then Shivraj, you want to add this into this two type of market, anything?
Which one, LST and LMA?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, the important part, if you ask me, in both the markets, see, in terms of documentation, I have not seen so much changes in terms of documents, like common documents that we sign.
Yes, common document.
For both the markets, like your trade certificates or trade tickets, assignment agreements, or the different. In terms of documentation, there is no change, but of course, in terms of the settlement cycle, that you may see the change. LMA market, they follow the standard process, like T plus 10, trade plus 10 days cycle.
Yes.
LSTA market, they follow the, basically they had a T plus 7, but now they are on T plus 5.
Yes.
All right, they follow it. As you said, the LST market, which is for USD, currency, and LMA for entire, GBP and Euro, that
Yeah.
covers, and most of the trade settled into it. See, one thing that I would like to add over here, so you might see, the trade allocation that will have to perform, at clear par level or maybe WSO level. The reason is, in most of the cases, on the ground, what happened, let's say, I want loan from you, but we have a conflict, or maybe we have some, the regulatory issues. So I cannot directly take a loans from you, but I can ask intermediate bank to take a loan from you and provide funding to me. So
Yes.
that becomes your multilateral trades. So it means I'll have a sign agreement with the agent bank, and agent bank will sign agreement with you.
Yes.
Right. So multilateral documentation. So you might see change in certificates, right? So that would be little bit different, but see more. So you can see similar setup process between LST and LMA. But most important question is like, which market that we follow as Indians. See, we have a a market in Mumbai for this loans and all, and RBI basically set the interest rates. There are two types of interest rate. One is fixed and another one is floating.
Yes.
So floating rate interest rate, we'll also call it as a market risk rate, that changes every quarter once the RBI meet, announce, they review the interest rate and they announce it. That interest rate, it will apply to it. Yeah, so that's how it works, right? So any other details, if you need, please go ahead and ask.
Sure. Thank you, Shivraj. So we came to the after the loan and loan syndication. We discuss now about the one of the term, most important term is term loan. So term loan is like a simple as a personal loan. We take example in the loan part. So it is giving the lump sum amount to the one of the borrower, and there is many things, schedule thing has mentioned, the time of the repayment, the time of a pay down, the time of a interest payment, the time of a delay drawn if you fail to pay it, the time of fees, various fees. So everything is mentioned in the term loan. Term means itself shows that the various term include in this part. Okay. So the few features, the most important feature of this term loan is interest, repayment schedule, user, like how many parties are included in this, who is the co-arranger bank, agent bank, and who is the lender, how much amount he needed in future, he needed some amount, how the repayment schedule will go, who will take care the payment, everything is mentioned. So and the application process. So I have one document with me, just I will search into my, so yeah, so I have this application with me, is a pricing application. So just give you the overview about how this is signed and how the agent bank will send the letter to the borrower for the interest payment and all this thing. So for example, if you go with the A1 column, there is a ABC Finance Corp, his address also important in this, and to the manufacturing XYZ who has taken the loan. So subject line will be the term loan pay down pricing letter, means they want to pricing letter will be there for the pay down. So he's writing to the XYZ manufacturing and releasing of that term loan facility for ABC Corp as per recent discussion. So they have a discussion going on, but everything should be in the paper before it get sorted out. So they are releasing the paper like term paper. So loan facility type is this, the loan number is this, like what loan number is this, the originated loan amount is around 50 lakh, around 5 millions, and outstanding amount is 3.25 millions. So pay down amount is 1 million. So everything is mentioned on this. So the interest payment, the how much loan payment is there, and what is the next step, and everything is given there, who is releasing that. And then the manufacturing company, XYZ manufacturing company, has to confirm that they will agree on this part as ABC confirm, and this flow will be going on for the rest of the life of that term loan. So term loan actually max it goes to the 30 years also, but most commonly they have 10 to 15 year only. If they want to extend their term loan, so the many facilities there like rollover and additional cap up like capital call, and everything will be there, subscription redemption. So going for in the coming series we will explain this scenario, how it will work and how we can go on this part also. So the important term of the term loan is pay down, like pay down, interest, rollover, delay term, and payment in kind. So this is a term include into the term loan, but slowly and steadily we have designed this part. So we'll come with the next session with the pay down part, where we discuss the live uh, scenarios where we get day to day in coming into reconciliation, when we do the reconciliation, and how we can investigate, how we can resolve, and who are to reach to resolve this break. We have designed everything for you, so stay connected with this channel. If you not see our previous video, please see it previous video, because it is a link this other video, the next coming video link with this video, and this video link with the previous video. So go on the every videos, like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please write on the comment. Our team will reach out to you. If we can explain into that comment section also, we will explain in comment. If not, we'll collect all the comment with you and we'll release a special video on this part also. So thank you so much for this part. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.